We're going to look at some of the important reasons why switching from PC to Mac will be the best decision you've made in a long time. To find Spotlight, on the top right hand corner, you have a little magnifying glass. Click on that and it's going to open up this Spotlight search bar. As mentioned, from here you can search for anything you might be looking for. Let's type in the word training. You'll notice that within seconds my Mac has started populating results right here and I can get access to all of them. It even lists it to me by category, so I can quickly have a look at all of my mails and messages, as well as films, events and reminders, and so much more. One of my favorite things about Spotlight is the fact that I can actually go ahead and do things like currency conversions as well. So if I'm maybe planning a trip abroad and I need to know how much $23 is, all I have to do is type in 23 USD and I'm going to get a result instantly.